In this tutorial, we will discuss how to use ChatGPT to create animations. Firstly, select the code generator prompt and write a code to animate a cube in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. ChatGPT will provide the code for you. Next, copy and paste the HTML, CSS and JavaScript code into an HTML, CSS and JavaScript runner. You can find one by searching for HTML, CSS and JavaScript runner on Google and selecting the second website. Paste the HTML code into the HTML section and CSS code into the CSS section. This will create a simple cubic animations using HTML and CSS with the help of ChatGPT. In a similar fashion, we are now going to create another animation. I will write the code for a jumping ball using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. With this code, we can create a simple animation by pasting all three codes in the same section. In the same session, if you wish to change the color of the ball to green, you can simply edit the code. ChatGPT has been a great help in creating this animation. You can also increase your productivity with the help of ChatGPT. I hope to see you in the next video.